In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Crypto.com app to your bank account in AUD. First, open the Crypto.com app and go to the Accounts section. Tap on your AUD Fiat Wallet. If your balance is still in cryptocurrency, you'll need to convert it first. To do that, tap Sell, choose the crypto you want to convert, and select AUD Fiat Wallet as the destination. Once the transaction is completed, your funds will appear in your AUD balance. Next, go back to your AUD Fiat Wallet and tap Transfer. Then choose Withdraw and select Bank Account. If this is your first withdrawal, you'll need to add your bank account details. Enter your Australian bank information carefully and follow the instructions shown in the app to link your account. After your bank account is added, enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the transaction details. Confirm the withdrawal and complete any security verification required, such as two-factor authentication. Once the request, history directly from your desktop browser. This allows you to manage your Crypto.com account from your computer without needing to install additional software. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.